Once again, welcome to my class, my dear students, to all of you, and I hope you all are fine and you are watching another interesting class here and for you. Okay, and this is probably most in numerical. Okay, and you will find how to simplify the numerical expression using the application of derivative. This is a concept of errors and approximation application of using the application of derivative, right? Okay, and here you can find out the exponential number of any power and of any base. The base may be a decimal number or any integers, and the power may be any rational numbers. What kind of numbers? Here we can find out, we can evaluate to find the approximate values of the numbers, okay, using the concept of application of derivative. And this is an sub-concept of errors and approximation, okay. And whenever we are going to, suppose this is a question I am going to discuss here, you see, and here you see that you have to find out the approximate value up to 3 decimal places of 3.968 whole to the power 3 by 2. You see the number here, base is a decimal number 3.968, okay, and power is 3 by 2 rational numbers. So it is really interesting how to find out, okay, how to simplify such kind of numbers. So the importance of derivative is much useful in our day-to-day life and in our simplification, in our algebra, in mathematics, which is vital role, okay. And here we can find out, we can evaluate using the formula and in front of you, and already it is discussed in the previous class, okay. And using this formula we can find out such kind of numbers, we can simplify such kind of numbers. So here is the formula. Once again may I repeat you, f of x plus del x is equal to fx plus dy by dx into del x, okay. F of x plus del x is equal to fx plus dy by dx into del x. So this formula, if you remember, you can find out, okay. And let's start and how to do, okay. And here is the number in front of you. Look at here. The number is that 0. Here the number 3.968 4 to the power 3 upon 2. So this is a power here, this is exponential number whose base is a decimal number and power is 3 by 2. Here base is 3.968, okay. And let's see. So you see the number first. Here number is 3.968 and power is 1 by 2. Power is 3 by 2 here. Understand? So here you see 3.968. You see the denominator. Denominator is 2. That's why you have to find. You have to arrange this. You have to find the nearest perfect square number to 3.968, which is so that, and all of you know the nearest perfect square number is what? 4. Let me find the 4 minus. We can write this number as 4 minus 3.968. If you subtract, it will be 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, and 0.032. So you can write 3.968 as 4 minus 0.032. Okay, so 3.968 can be written is equal to 4.032, 4 minus 0.032. Okay, and in this number, you say, this consists of two parts. Let first part is 4. Let take this part be x, and minus 0.03 taken as del x. Okay. Let you take x is equal to 4 and del x is equal to minus 0.032. It's clear? So now you are writing the formula f of x plus del x is equal to fx plus dy by dx into del x. Okay. And what is y here? Y is equal to fx. Here we have taken x to the power. Here power is 3 by 2. Let us take 3 by 2. What is the power you write on 3 by 2? Okay. Now you can write the f of x plus del x here value what? 3.968 whole to the power 3 by 2. So you can write 3.968 whole to the power 3 by 2. Fx is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 plus dy by dx, where y value x to the power 3 by 2 into del x. Okay, understand? So let's after that x to the power 3 by 2 in place of x I can write 4. 4 to the power 3 by 2 plus here derivative x to the power 3 by 2 how much? So let us write after that you can put the values x to the power 3 by 2. Here derivative of x to the power 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2 1 by 2. Yes or no? 3 minus 2 1 by 2. The power is 1 by 2. It's right? Okay. And del x. Del x. It's okay? Okay. Then after that you write in. Now put the values of x here. We have taken x is equal to 4. 4 to the power 3 by 2. Plus here 3 by 2 into here x value 4 to the power 1 by 2 into del x value minus 0.032. I can write minus 0.032. Okay, understand? It's clear? Then you can write, you see now 4 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 the square into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into here square root of the value is 2 into here one thing you can see, you can multiply plus into minus minus, this side will be minus, okay, into 0.032, right? So here we can cancel 2 cancel and 2 will be cancelled, right? Okay, understand? So after cancellation the value will be, the resulting value will be here 2 to the power 3 which is 8 minus here minus 3 into 0.032. You see 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 0.8 minus 0.968. Okay. So after minus 8 minus 0.096 you will do minus here. So 8.000 and 0.096 you will do subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 0. Okay, here 9, here 7.904. Okay, the value will be 7.904. So finally we got the values of 3.968 whole to the power 3 by 2. We got here. What you got here? Yes, we got finally. So hence we got here 3.968 whole to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 7.904. So this is how this is what we are going to find out. Okay, is it clear all of you? So it is very simple and this formula you can mostly usefully you can understand. Okay, so such a numerical calculation can be easily calculated, can be easily simplified with the help of this formula. So you can realize the importance of derivative, okay, in the field of math, in the field of mathematics, right? Okay, now let's move to another question. Okay, here another question. So is it clear? So we move to next questions. So here is 0.0037 whole to the power 1 by 2. Let's see. Okay, noted this one. Thank you. Let's move to another question. That is also an interesting question here. We are going to discuss similar process, same process. So question number 2. Let's write. It's question number 2, right? Okay. You see here 0.0037 whole to the power 1 by 2. Here the power is 1 by 2. Okay. It means the square root. You have to find out the square root of 0.0037. So its nearest perfect square will be 0.00. How much? Say. You can write 0.0037 can written 0.0036 plus 0.0001, right? Yes or no? 36 plus 1 is 37. Yes or no? 6 plus 1, 7, 3. So here you can take x value is equal to 0.0036 and del x value is plus 0.0001, right? Okay, understand? So let us take x is equal to 0.0036 and del x is equal to 0.0001. Okay, now let us write the similar formula fx x plus del x is equal to fx plus dy by dx into del x, right? Here fx plus del x value in place of fx plus del x we can write, what can we can write? Yes, 0.0037 whole to the power 3 upon 2 is equal to fx. What is fx? Here fx what? Here have taken fx, y is equal to fx is equal to x to the power 1 by 2 or root x, square root of x. So fx is equal to x to the power here root x plus d by dx here root x into del x, right? Okay, so that is equal to root x value 0.0036 square root, use the value now, and plus derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x, you know, into del x value 0.000001, okay, and 0.0036 root over is what? 0.6, okay, yes or no? 0.06 or 0.06? 0.06. So 1 divided by 2 into here also root x value 0.06 into 0.0001, right? It's clear? And that is equal to 0.06 can be 10. Write down same thing 0.06, and you see this is 0.0001 divided by 2 6 are 12, 0.12. 0.12 we multiply 2 6 are 12. Okay, then let's see. After that, let us simplify. You can simplify easily in the concept of simplification. Okay, yes. What do you do here? So you can write 0.0037 root over 0.0037 whole to the power 1 by 2 root over, you can write also, is equal to 0.06 plus, okay, and if you remove the decimal, this will be 1 by 12 into 1 right now. You see now in the numerator already, in the decimal part how many digits? 1 2 3 4. Give 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let us write down 1 here. You see the denominator, how many digits in the decimal part? 1 2. So write down 1 2 2 0, same number of 0. Okay, how many digits in the denominator in the decimal part? Write down the same number of 0. 1 2, here 1 2, here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, is it clear? Are you getting my point? How to convert into remove the decimal? That's your part. All of you know this one. Okay, being your higher class section, this thing you should know. So here 0 0 0 can be cancelled here. So it will be 0.006 plus here 1 by 1200. 1 by 1200. So and we have to divide this 1 by 1200. 1 by 1200. How to divide this 1 by 1200? Yes, 1 by 1200. Keep the decimal point. Then 0, 1 0 here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. Right? Decimal point, then 1 0, after decimal point, then 0 0. 1 second, see. You see now 1 upon 12, 1200. You see the decimal point. After decimal point, you can 1 0 you can give. Okay, and again for 1 0 here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, 1000, again 1000 less than 1200, but put 1 0 here 1 0, 10,000. Okay, understand? And 12 8 ja 96, 9600. So minus 0 0 4 9 minus 0. Okay, again you can put 0. Understand? Again 12 3 ja 36, 36 you put. So it will 0 0, 10 minus 6 is 4. Again 6. Again 36, 12 3 ja 36. So 0.000833. So that's value is equal to 0.06 plus 0.000833. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Now you see and understand. Now you see the 0.06. 0.06. We have to add 0.000833. So for that 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you do what? Plus 33806.0. Okay, we got the value. What is the value we got? Finally 0.060 or 833. Okay, understand? This is how we are going to value the value of 0.0037. We got square root is equal to 0.060833. Our question is to find out the up to 3 decimal places. If 3 decimal places is 4 decimal places is 8, so you can find out 0.06. So in third place is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. This is the answer. So you get the value is 0.061. Right? Okay. Understand? So finally, thus we got the value here. So we got the value here finally 0.0037 whatever is the value is 0.061. This is how you can find out the square root of a decimal number, and very simple formula we are using here. And okay students, so you can practice this type of problem using this formula. Okay, understand? So this is a very simple question to all of you, which comes in your different kind of problem you are solving. So you can solve using this concept, using the concept of errors and approximation, and using the formula f of x plus del x is equal to fx plus dy dx into del x. Okay, thank you students. Thank you for your interest in the class. Okay, so thank you once again. See you. Thank you once again. Bye. Thank you.